else if they're cooking.
Now we're entering a yield. See, we have a green light.
Yeah.
Keep moving. It's still green.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're yielding right of way to traffic to the left. So look ahead.
Yep.
Look ahead. Speed up. Speed up. You should signal to the left though. Signal left because you have to drift. Don't follow that car ahead of us. That's a driving school car, but they're just driving straight without using signals. You don't want to be driving like that. That's why you always have to pay attention to what you're taught, because you have bad drivers all over the place. And if you see them doing certain things, you think they're doing the right thing, and then you just follow them. Now, let's say you are on a test. You're getting too close to this vehicle. Back off. Back off. You're on a test and you follow this car doing the wrong thing, you fail also.
Great.
Alright, so don't rely on the car in front of you. Make sure you do things the way you're taught. Right turn at the